Oh, hi there. And now I'm almost finished with the mast, and it's a good time to do a test rigging to see how it all will fit together before I finish it. So let's do that. I will have to extend this wire. For now it will be a temporary solution. I need cleats on the new mast, so I take measures from the old mast to get a similar setup. But I will settle for 2 cleats instead of 3. I will fasten the cleats using holes in holes, so I measure out where to place the holes. I mark where to drill. For drilling 6.5 mm wide holes. The eye bolts for the gooseneck will be fastened in the same way. I measure how deep to drill to fit with the threads, and mark this on the drill. This will be deep enough. Now I can fill the holes with thickened epoxy. And I add some cut glass fiber as well for improved strength. The fibers are too long to fit in the holes, so it's a bit fiddling to get them in. But at last I can clean up the surface and attend to the holes for the gooseneck. The day after I can test screw the eye bolts. The last step in the mast build will be the varnish. To prepare the surface I move outside. With a 120 grit paper I will remove the glossiness from the surface. I also take away unevenness in the epoxy layer. The varnish salesperson recommended using 120 grit paper to get the right depth of scratches for the best bonding between epoxy and varnish. When I'm done, I move inside. It's not a good temperature for varnish anyway. And I want to screw the eyeballs in place with some bonding epoxy. This is as far as I can do now. I would like to wait for 70 degrees centigrade outside to get optimal varnish. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked this episode.